Good morning, students. We are getting ready to take the MAP test from home. Today, we will talk about how you log into MAP testing. The first thing we need to do is log into Infinite Campus. To do so, you will need your student number. If it says that you need to reset your new password should be DeKalb and then your grade number. Make sure DeKalb is lowercase. After making sure your login works, go to www.decabschoolsga.org. From there, you're going to go to the bottom of the page and click on the Clever icon. That's the icon that looks like a rocket ship. You are going to log into Clever the same way you log into Infinite Campus, using your student number and your password. Next, you're going to locate and click on the Office 365 for DCSD students and open your Outlook email. On test day, you will open the Teams meeting invite in your email. There is probably not one there now. You're going to click on Join. When your proctor or test examiners tells you to minimize the Teams, you're going to click on the line. When your proctor says it's okay, you're going to click on the apps, find the NWEA app, and once you get to this screen, you're going to wait for your proctor to tell you the next steps. Testing starts next Tuesday and does not end until November 10th. You will be in groups of 9 while you're testing. Each week, you will take only one test. The first week, we will take reading. There are 4 testing sessions per day. You will find out at the end of this period which day you will test. Do not miss your testing session. Make sure you write down your MAP testing schedule and log into your session at the correct time. Make sure you're in a well-lit room, free from all electronic devices like your smartphones, smartwatches, cell phones, iPads, anything like that. For your test day, you want to make sure that you have an internet connection and your computer is charged. Make sure that your pop-up blocking windows are disabled, and you should practice the MAP test at practice.map.nwea.org. On test day, make sure that you're away from distractions. You'll log into your device. You're going to connect through Microsoft Teams, and make sure that you join the Teams meeting with your examiner. Follow all instructions from your examiner. If you receive read aloud accommodations, make sure that you have your headphones. I am sure you have some very important questions and we have answers. What if I have to use the restroom during the session? You will not be allowed to use the restroom during the test session. You need to make sure you use the restroom before the test session begins. If you leave the camera view, your test will be invalidated. What if I do not have internet? You need to make sure that your parent or you let us know immediately if there's an internet issue. What if I have a power outage or my screen freezes? Raise your hand if you're able and call the tech line immediately. What if I turn my camera off or leave the testing area without permission? If you turn off your camera at any time during the test session, or if you leave the testing room at any time, your test will be paused immediately and your score may be invalidated. May I use my personal computer for testing? We prefer the use of the Path Chromebook so that we can help you if you are struggling. May I use scratch paper when taking the test? Yes, you can use scratch paper on the math section. Can I use a calculator? Yes, you can use the calculator that is in the MAP system. You may not use any other calculator. What materials do I need for remote testing? You need a Path-issued Chromebook, scratch paper, and a pencil. You may not have out any other electronic device while you are testing. If your test examiner sees an electronic device, your test may be invalidated. You should make sure that you are testing inside and that It is in a well-lit room. You are allowed to have a bottle of water, but other beverages or food are not allowed. Once your test is complete and submitted, you may log out of the test session, but first get your test examiner's permission. If you have a technical issue during the test, please call Mr. Martinez on the tech line. The phone number is 470-658-3290. Write that down now. If you have any questions, you can email Dr. Perry at vperry@pathacademy.org. You are still required to turn in all asynchronous work for the day you are testing. Next, your teacher will show you the day and time that you will be testing each week. Before class is over, make sure you ask all of the questions that you have. Thank you.